case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, the Iowa Supreme Court addressed the issue of manufacturers' duty to warn consumers after the sale of a product in the case Lovick v. Wil-Rich. The case involved a product liability claim against farm cultivator manufacturer Wil-Rich after Leo Lovick was severely injured using one of their cultivators. The jury found Wil-Rich at fault for strict liability and negligence, upholding a compensatory damages verdict of $1,557,000. The court determined that manufacturers have a post-sale duty to warn customers after receiving reports of similar accidents, ordering a new trial due to an issue with the duty to warn instruction. The compensatory damages were upheld, but a new punitive damages trial was ordered. The court also required a foundational showing of substantially similar prior accidents and declined to merge strict liability and negligence theories.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.